This is a video by Rich Pin. Today we're working on a Ford Escort. This happens to be a 1998 model. And what we're doing today is we are removing the radio. First thing we need to do is remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Then we want to move our shift lever all the way down into the low position and pull up on our parking brake. Next thing we want to do is get underneath the dash. On the left side, here's the brake pedal right here. And we're looking for the heater control cable. See it right there? That little white piece right there has a little tang on it. And what we want to do is push that little tang away and it will pop this unit off just like that. Next thing we need to do is get some DIN removing tools. They look just like this. And on the radio face here, you will see two holes on the right here, two holes on the left. You'll insert the tool into the hole, so hopefully you hear a little click. That should be enough. And once they're in like that, you can pull the radio out just like that. Now after we get our radio in this position, we need to remove the antenna, which is right here. I'm using a panel remover. You can do a lot of good things with your panel remover. Take that off there. Now we have the speaker wires over here, and there is a little tab right here, and you'll pull that in this direction and you can remove that one. Then over here we have an identical one, and we will push the tab in and then remove our connectors. Now over on the right side of the radio, we need to disconnect this connector right here. There's another little tab right there. You will push that in, and then once you do, that will relieve those wires. Now the only thing that we have left now is the vacuum lines that we have to disconnect now. Now to remove those vacuum lines, there is a little tab right here, right at the end of my finger, this black piece. You will push that out, and then there's one on the other side, and you'll push that. Let's see if I can do this here with one hand. There we go, and there it is. That is the vacuum connector. Now everything is disconnected. We still have our cable here for the heater control, but we can just pull that right out just like that, and there's our radio. Now if you're going to go aftermarket, you'll have to get a face kit right here, and with that face kit, what you got to do is you've got to take your switches here and unbolt them and transfer them over to your new one. But there's the radio. She's all out. So that's all there is to removing a radio on your Ford Escort.